Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today and for the next 2 days after today, I'd like to give a brief introduction to the topic that I'll be presenting on in our ongoing scripture study series starting in August, on August 14th and August 21st. On those 2 Wednesdays, I'll be talking about 3 of the Gospels that are called non-canonical gospels. In other words, they were gospels that were not accepted into the New Testament. So today I'd like to say just a few words about one of those gospels, the Gospel of Thomas. The Gospel of Thomas was written over an extended period of time, written and then edited or redacted, probably for a period of as many as 300 years. The author of, or the reputed author of the Gospel of Thomas is Didymus Judas Thomas. Now, the only one of those names that actually makes any sense is Judas, because both Didymus and Thomas mean the same thing. They mean twin. So Judas Thomas is Judas the twin. Why do I bring that up? I bring that up because one of the interesting points about the gospel is that it says that God's light shines not only in Jesus, but that it shines potentially in each one of us. It makes reference to this light that comes from God. And so when we encounter Jesus, according to the Gospel of Thomas, we come to recognize ourselves as someone who looks like Jesus. We come to recognize ourselves as someone who has the same qualities of love and compassion and forgiveness that Jesus does. In other words, we see ourselves as Jesus' twin. So each one of us then can be Judas, Didymus, fill in the blank, fill in your own name. This is one of the Gospels that we'll be talking about next month, and I hope this little reflection might motivate you to actually want to come and hear the full presentation. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.